Alright. I did one take on this, but I forgot to record. So. This tier list. Get a load of Railgunner because we're also Bandit on this tier. Because Railgunner does infinite damage. Iron Switch is broken. Plus, it has infinite armor. Loader gets Aegis and 3 million agency off the bat. And it does double damage from behind, which is broken. Seeker. I'm here because of the Ball Seeker. Razor Wire does a lot of damage. Heretic's just really good all around. But damage over time. Doesn't put Heretic in S tier. Multi, I like him. He can fly, he can use Double Reaper with Gnarled Wood Spirit. Acrid has good poison, but I don't think poison's good enough to be nice. And Void Fiend is just a good character, does good damage. Captain's down here because he's just, he would be C, but Shock Beacon puts him up there, and he can skip pillars with Diablo. So B is good. We're a mercenary. He's frail, but he gets better over time. You just need to make it past the early stages. And NG's good. He just lacks mobility skills. Huntress down here, because Huntress doesn't have much going for her, but she's nice. Rex just above Commando, because he can't do much damage without self-damage, but flip side, he can't use self-damage. Commando doesn't do damage. He is only in D because of his primary R, which does, because stone stacks, and Chef is terrible. So, that's the list. You can complain about it in the comments, but I think it's pretty nice.